Hey, I'm Tim.
I'm Gail.
And you are chasing the Joneses. Hey, we have got a great episode going on this time. Why don't you tell them a little bit about it?
Okay, our little sweetheart Grace back behind us is a 2000 Damon Challenger. It's a Class A. It's a 2000 though. It's 21 years old. And so everything's dated in it, and that's fine. But one room is no longer dated because of this guy. This guy just redid our whole bathroom. And once you get over all the junk between the door and the bathroom, because there's still more to do, you open the door and you're like, oh, it looks amazing. I did help, but he did the work.
So on this episode, we are going to show you the before and after of our bathroom remodel. So stay tuned, because here we go. So here we are in the bathroom. We're about ready to renovate the bathroom. We just put this little contact paper up here for now. That's what it's not going to look like. But you can see we got this typical, typical bathroom, typical, all that stuff is just basically typical. We've of course put in a new faucet. We've also put in these little baskets from IKEA, and the most recent thing we've done is we have added this which makes a huge difference, this shower curtain that pops out. It makes a huge difference in the thing. And we've also added a new shower. So those are some of the things we've already done, but as you notice, we have to do some other things in order to get right. And so I just started painting right there, first coat, so we can wallpaper this back section right here and see what it's going to look like. And we are going to show you the after photos. Remember that we got carpet down here, everything like that. We're about ready to get new flooring, and so I can't wait to show you what the finished product is going to be. Hey guys, we just finished doing the bathroom, the makeover of the bathroom, and really it looks fantastic for everything that we did. So come on in. I want to show you exactly what it looks like. If you go ahead and notice that we have a light right there, and look at this. I'm going to turn on some other lights, but this light comes on. It is set right there by a motion sensor, and it's battery driven, so it just comes on. It lights up everything, especially at night when it's really dark out. You walk in here and it automatically turns it on. So let's check out the rest and what we did. Now you saw the before pictures, and we'll start right here. I'll close the door. You've seen the before pictures, and now let me show you the after pictures. And this is a true saying in our household. Everyone wants to change the world, but nobody wants to change the toilet paper roll. Amen. And so this goes all the way down. This wallpaper goes all the way down to the floor, and then we repainted the cabinets, and look how great those turned out. We repainted all the cabinets, put on new hardware as well, and you can see as we come around, we also did the inside of these cubby holes here, and they look great. And then of course we changed out our lights to a white light. I don't know if you can see that. And these are LED lights coming down to the sink. We did not decide to pull out the actual sink or change the countertop, because it was actually the color in which we were going to go. And so this is the picture of the countertop. Again, we've got these bins right here from IKEA, which matched our color scheme. We got that sign right there at Hobby Lobby. We picked up this residential faucet right here at Menards, and it went on with a very easy install. We picked up this carpet right here, this rug for the bath, and we picked that up at Walmart, I believe. Anyway, this bathroom just turned out absolutely wonderful if you take a look at it. And so we are very excited. But I will tell you this, one of the best features, again, is this motion censored LED lighting up underneath the cabinet. I got that at Home Depot. I'll put a link up to that about what the cost is. But also here in the shower area, one of the best adds that we did was this shower curtain rod right there. This is one of those shower curtain rods that actually come out to open up the shower even more. And I will tell you what, it is fantastic the amount of room you feel like you have in there now. And so it goes in and it goes out very comfortably and no problem. We did not have to address the ceiling because the ceiling was in perfect shape. And so this is the bathroom reno. Things that you can do that are very simple. The wallpaper went up very easily. And so we really didn't have a lot of problems with the wallpaper. And then, of course, everything else just matched right on up really good. Well, listen, I hope that you enjoyed this makeover of our bathroom. And it's gonna we're gonna love it for days and probably years to come. Well, listen, I'm Tim, and she's Gail over there in the living room, and you are chasing the Joneses. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to help us really reach out to more people and to really send more videos to other people. So would you do that for us? And then we will see you down the road.